Is this the most powerful AI you've never heard of? Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore Manus AI, China's latest AI agent model. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. So, what is Manus AI? It's China's new AI agent model that was released just a few days ago. To learn more about it, I went to Google and typed in Manus AI. The first website that came up had all the information I needed. One of the use cases I see here is its ability to process customer forms for B2B AI consulting firms. And the best part? It works super fast. Manus claims to be the world's first general AI agent, leveraging multiple AI models, such as Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet, fine-tuned versions of Alibaba's open-source Quenon Lovable. Let's dive into an example of use case. As you can see, Manus AI has created a powerful data analytics platform for B2B companies. Here, we can see how it has extracted data from numerous companies and created a stunning dashboard. Here, we can see that the data table includes information such as company location, funding stage, founded, employees, contact, and website. This data has been sourced, and the website is authentic. Here, we can see that Manus AI has extracted data from Slingshot website. Now, we're going to check another use case of Manus AI, which is a teleprompter. Let's see how it has created a professional teleprompter. First of all, we can see a role-play simulation as President Zelensky. This is a simulation of an event that happened between him and Trump. Let's see how it has created this simulation. We can see that it has created a scenario where we have to play the role of President Zelensky. We have to respond to questions as the Ukrainian president. Let's begin the simulation. Now, we can see that President Trump is responding, and we have to respond as President Zelensky. The questions are changing, and we have to respond accordingly. This is a very impressive feature of Manus AI. The way it has generated this simulation is amazing, and the questions are changing in real time. This is a very powerful tool for training and simulation purposes. Here's the translation. Now, we're going to check another feature of Manus AI, which is converting speech scripts into teleprompter presentations. Let's see how it has generated this presentation. This teleprompter feature can be very helpful for many people who record audio and video scripts. Now we're going to skip ahead and see what happens next. Wow, the teleprompter presentation has a black background and the text is sliding down. This is amazing. The content generation feature of Manus AI is really impressive. Oh my god, this is hilarious. People are using Manus AI to create some really cool stuff. Manus is not publicly available. Some people are using by early requesting. We can also request it, but don't know how much it's gonna take time to access. We're going to request access to Manus AI and see if our request is accepted. Let's see what happens next. To do this, we need to go back to the homepage and click on the Sign In option. There's also a Request Access option here. We need to provide our email address and social media account links. I'll provide the description for you to copy and paste here. Once you've filled out the form, you can request access and start using Manus AI. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and share it. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.